Hey everyone, today I am here to show you how can you export or import your contacts to your Gmail or your Android, or you can share contacts all over which you have in your mobile. So let's get started here. So go first at your contacts. This is my contact list, and then you can see here three dotted. Click here and you will see here import export contacts. Just click here and you can see here what you want to do. Do you like to import or export? So I would like to export, so for that I will share my all contacts in my Gmail. For now I will save into my drive, and I will click rename this contact as contact list done. Okay, it is preparing to upload. Even you can is uploaded. Now I will see in my drive, and you can see here in recent, you can see here it is been downloaded and shown in my contact. If I download it, you can see all the contacts. I will done, and I will open as file, and you can see all the contacts are open, and I can save in my any Gmail or phone, and it is saved for lifetime. So in this way you can import or export by going in contact settings. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.